is up YouTube and welcome back to the channel The Go Lad. This is your boy Ganesh Narvekar and I've got a special guest and it is...
Hey guys, this is Super RC!
He's got a banging channel, the link will be in the description. He does giveaways and shoe reviews, so do check him out as well. And it's time for a giveaway, a mad giveaway that we're doing courtesy of Super RC. And we're giving 2 of these away. So guys, to win these, you gotta follow the steps, which are subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, give this video a big thumbs up, and in the comment section down below, do write the shoe size. And guys, to win 2 of these, you gotta follow us on Instagram. The both of us, follow him on Instagram at
SuperRonnieC.
Follow me on Instagram at Ganesh Narvekar. That increases your chances not to win just 1, but 2 of these beauties. These are mad, and Super RC is going to tell us a little bit about it. And quickly, do not forget to share this video on social media. Follow these steps and you guys are going to have these. So yeah, tell us a bit more about these.
Alright guys, before I talk about it, if you want double the chances to win this giveaway, there's obviously giveaway on the Go Last channel, and there's also giveaway on my channel as well. So enter both the giveaways. You could win 2 pairs, or just increases you get double the chances of winning these sneakers. And let's get into this, guys. It's your classic 3. Oh yeah, and also if this video reaches 500
likes, guys, we're doing more giveaways.
More giveaways on this, and now let's get into the video finally.
Go on.
Alright guys, these sneakers are absolute fire. They're a 350 V2, but there are a few things that make it a unique 350 V2. No pull tab at the back, and this is the Black Friday. The colorway is called Core Black and Red, but it's also released on Black Friday weekend. And these are the second rarest pair of Yeezy 350
One of the
V2.
most sought out.
Yeah, it was difficult to get 1 and 2 pair. Actually, even 1 pair was difficult, but luckily I managed to get 2. And check out the value on StockX. It's over $700. They're crazy, but they look absolutely fire. Look at them. It's black. It's got a nice little stripe down, which is like this reddish crimson
while
color.
you're partying, you can wear it casually, you can just do whatever
It looks fired on all occasions. Absolutely. It just looks it. And there's not much to say. Just looks fire, and you can
V2 super comfortable, absolutely killer shoe, and it's black and red. Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong.
So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up the video. This is your boy the Go Lad, and
this is your boy Super RC.
And peace.